Dear children, today we have to learn in Standard 10 subject Social Science chapter number 20. The name of the chapter is Social Problem of the India and the Challenges. Dear children, the previous lecture we have learned that in this chapter we have discussed in the detail about the communalism and the casteism. Already we have completed the communalism as well as the struggle against the communalism. Now, today we have to learn about the casteism. Which one is it? Casteism. Casteism it means Nativada. Caste have been existence in the social system of India since the birth. Whatever the children, you know very well that caste have been existence in the social system of the India since its birth. Thus, we may say that Indian social structure is based on the caste system, and that's why, because of that, we can say that the Indian social structure is based on their casteism. Earlier, concept of the casteism was the different from what it is today. Dear children, remember that this is the most important thing. Whatever the earlier concept of the casteism was the different from what it is today. Because of that, to fulfill the basic need of the society, the task-based community were at the base of the work division. What happened there in the previous time? There is a caste-based community, and this community was divided on the basis of the work division. According to the early hypothesis, one system is there in one system, Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra was based on four occupation. What happened? According to the earlier hypothesis, the one system is there, and this one system is divided on the basis of their work. That's why the Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and the Shudra was based on their occupation. They have to divide it. Now, willing and the arrangement. Now, what happened with the children? Willing as well as the arrangement and the occupation were based on their caste. As base of the occupation was source of the income, the some caste were getting the low income, so they are mainly poor economically. What happened there? Dear children, as per their occupation, sources of the income and the some caste were getting low income, while the some caste getting the more income, and that's why what happened that there is a huge difference between richer and the poor economically into the society. Before the period of the British rule, some community were living the isolated life. Now what happened that before British arrived in India, before that in India the people are living the isolated life. In the region where there it was not easy to reach land, inaccessible forests in the mountain regions. Social and the cultural life of this community was different from the others. They had their own prominent culture as well as the languages, the people who are living in the forest and the mountain regions. Because of living separately from generation to the generation, the people of this community could not develop. Now what happened that we know very well that these people are living separately by generation to generation, as well as the people of this community could not develop. Because of that, as a result, we can say that their economical as well as the social condition has remained backward. Why these people have social condition remain the backward? Because these people are living separating from generation to generation. These people are living into the forest area as well as the mountain region, and that's why these people have socially as well as the cultural life of their communities that different from the other community, and that's why from generation to generation the people of this community could not develop. As a result, that's why these people are economically as well as the social condition has remained the backward. Now, dear children, they have to given that constitution provision for the protection of the interest of the minority, weak and the backward classes. Now what happened then, dear children? They have to given that now the constitutional provision for the protection of the interest of the minority, weak and the backward classes. It means લઘુમતીઓ, નબળા વર્ગો અને પછાત હિતોના રક્ષણ માટે બંધારણીય જોગવાઈઓ. Now, many provision has been made in the constitution for the protection, welfare and the progress of the minority. What happened in the children? We can say that the many provisions are there as per the constitution of India for the protection as well as the welfare as well as the progress of the minority person, weaker section and the backward classes. This constitutional provision have been provided to protect their interest, to eradicate the social inequality and to work for their welfare and the development. Why these things are to be given? As per the constitution, they have given that provision because they are working there, they have to eradicate the social inequality among the work as well as they are working for the welfare and the development of the people. That's why they have given the Indian constitution grant equally, socially and economically and political justice to all the Indians. What they have given the region? They have given that as per our constitution, Indian constitution, grant that equal social, economical and political justice to all the Indians. It means each and every person are equal in the front of law as per the constitution. We can say that. According to the Indian constitution, there will be the no discrimination on the basis of the community, caste, religion, language, sex and etc. What happened there? I am repeatedly achieved. As per our Indian constitution, there is no any kind of the discrimination on the basis of their community, caste, religion, language and the sex. It is also mentioned in our constitution that equal opportunity for the equal stature. What they have given in our constitution, dear children? In our constitution, they have given that the equal opportunity for the equal status is the fundamental rights of the every citizen. Moreover, the states are also given the power so that they may discharge in the duties as well as the welfare of the state. It can impose certain restriction on certain fundamental rights in order to protect weaker and the backward class of the society. What happened that as per our constitution, they are working for the welfare of the state, and that's why they are impose certain restriction on the certain fundamental rights to protect weaker and the backward section of the society. The rights to religion, given freedom to follow the any religion. Whatever that religion in India, the rights to religion, given the freedom to follow the any religion. The main objective behind providing the constitutional help to the minority, weaker section and the backward classes is to offer them the equal opportunity, justice and the status in the country. Why they are providing the constitutional help to the minority, weaker section and the backward classes? Because they are trying to provide them in the society the equal opportunity, justice as well as the status in the country. Care is taken for these classes in the 5-year plan. So, and that's why what happened there, they are preparing the 5-year plan for the care taking for the welfare of their society. Now next one, dear children, they have to given about the minorities. Which one, dear children? Minorities. Minority means laghu. Minority is such a group of people which is not in majority with regard to religion or language with a certain region or regions. Whatever the religion, remember minority means minority is the such a group of people. Minority is a such group of people which is not in majority with regard to the religion or languages within a certain region or region. There is no specific definition for the minority in the Indian constitution. Dear children, remember that here there is no any specific definition given in the minority as per the Indian constitution. Generally, a group of people forming a less than half of the total population of a region or country can be called as a minority. What is called as a minority? Minority, it means a group of people forming less than the half of the total population of the region of the countries can be called as a minority. The concept of the minority is not restricted to any religion, language or region. Just as a national level, the local and regional minority are taken into account at the state level also. That is why the concept of the minority at national level is different from the state level. Because of that, dear children, whatever the concept of the minority is different from the national level as well as the state level. If the community is a majority in any region or in state total population, it can be in a minority in the national level. Contrary to this group, which is in the minority in state, can be majority at the national level. Now, as for the Indian minority, now share their equal rights with the majority. Now, what happened there? Because of that, in Indian minority now sharing the rights with the majority, and the moreover the special provision have been made in the constitution to protect and encourage the religion, language, culture, script, etc. Like this, they have given that a national minority commission has been set up for the protecting the rights, interest, and welfare and the progress of the minority. What happened that, dear children? We can say that a national minority commission has been set up for the protecting the rights, interest, welfare, and for the progress of the minorities people. The rights to the religion, especially to the minority, assurance that they can make a propaganda to spread and propagate the religion. The law does not permit forcefully for the religious conversation. Any educational institution taking government grant cannot teach a religious teaching. All religion community have the right to acquire and maintain the property for the religious activities. The minority have the right to preserve the creed and the culture as per the cultural and educational rights. Any educational institution receive a government grant cannot refuse any admission on the basis of the religion, race, caste, color, or languages. Dear children, remember what happened there. Any educational institute receive the government grant cannot refuse an admission on the basis of religion, race, caste, color, and the language. All the section of the society have the rights to retain and develop their language, script of their own choice. To establish and run the educational institution for the protecting and the growth of their culture, the state government provide facility to get primary education in their mother tongue to the children of the minority. And that's why what happened that God, dear children, here now state government try to provide the facility of the primary education in their mother tongue to the children in the minority. So dear children, today we have to learn about the casteism and the minorities. Thank you, dear children.